In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix camera failed on Android. Okay, so if your camera application is not opening or it fails at any point during the use of it, this is what you want to do. Go into your settings and you want to find the option that says apps. Okay, so here's the apps option right there. Tap on apps, and the first thing you want to do is you want to search for the camera app. Okay, so there's the camera app. I'm going to tap on it, and there at the top you can see it says camera settings. Tap on camera settings, then you want to scroll down and you should see an option here that says reset settings. Okay, you want to go ahead and tap on that, and you want to tap on reset. Okay, once you've done that, you can go back, and you want to go back to this main app info for the camera app. Then you want to go down and you want to go to storage. Tap on storage. What you want to do now is you want to clear the data and you want to clear the cache. Okay, then see if the app is working. If it's still not working, it could be something that is wrong with the version that you're running right now of Android. So tap there where it says software update. Tap on software update, and you want to download and install the latest update for your software. And once you've done that, your phone should restart, and then your camera should be working no problem, and then you should be good to go. Okay, so if this helped you out, drop a like onto this video, and I'll see you in the next one.